If you're looking to get the most value when joining BetRivers in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a complete guide on exactly how to find BetRivers promo codes and the best active offers so you can start with extra bonus bets or grab ongoing promotions as an existing player. Whether you've never bet online before or you're comparing sportsbooks, this updated guide will show you all the reliable methods, step-by-step instructions, pro tips, and key details to watch out for. Stick with me until the end because by the time we're finished, you'll know precisely where to look and how to claim the strongest BetRivers deals available right now. First, let's talk about what BetRivers promo codes and offers look like in 2026. BetRivers is known for its strong second chance welcome bonus, rather than the typical Bet 5 get something structure. The current standout offer for new users is a second chance bet up to $500, though the exact maximum varies by state. In many states like Pennsylvania, Michigan, Illinois, and others, you can get up to $500 back as a bonus bet if your first qualifying wager loses. In states like New Jersey, it might be up to $250, and in others, around $100. You usually need a minimum deposit of $10 and place a qualifying first bet. If that bet loses, BetRivers refunds your stake as a bonus bet up to the state's maximum. This is a fantastic, low-risk way for beginners and experienced bettors alike to test a platform. Casino players also have separate promotions, often including up to $500 back on net losses in the first 24 hours, plus hundreds of bonus spins on popular slots like Lion Link. Promo codes are sometimes optional, but can help unlock or enhance these deals depending on the affiliate link or state. Bonus bets on BetRivers must typically be used in full, and only the winnings become withdrawable cash, with expiration periods usually around 7 to 30 days. The main reason to actively search for these offers is clear. They reduce your risk on that important first bet and give you extra playing power without needing to risk more of your own money up front. Finding fresh codes and promotions quickly can significantly improve your overall experience and potential returns on the site. Now let's get into the best methods to find BetRivers promo codes and bonuses in 2026. Your most reliable starting point is always the official BetRivers website and mobile app. Head to betrivers.com or open the app, then navigate to the promotions or rewards section. You'll see dedicated areas for sportsbook offers, casino deals, and sometimes daily fantasy or other verticals. Bookmark this page because new promotions rotate regularly around major sports seasons, holidays, and big events like the NFL playoffs or March Madness. Checking it weekly keeps you informed about fresh, second chance deals, profit boosts, parlay insurance, and reload bonuses. Trusted affiliate and review websites are another excellent resource for discovering the latest offers. Sites like Action Network, Covers, Sportsbook Review, Legal Sports Report, and others regularly update their BetRivers pages with current verified promotions and direct claim links. These partners often provide tracking that automatically applies the best welcome bonus when you sign up through them. Even when no manual code is required, using one of their exclusive links ensures the second chance offer attaches properly to your account. It's smart to check a few of these reputable sources because the maximum bonus amount can vary by state, and occasional enhanced deals might appear on one site but not another. Email newsletters and in-app notifications are incredibly effective for both new and existing users. After creating an account, opt in to BetRivers promotional emails and push notifications immediately. They send personalized offers, reload bonuses, profit boosts, and occasional promo codes straight to your inbox or the notifications area in the app. Inside the app, check the promotions tab and any carousel banners on the home screen regularly. Many time-sensitive deals and opt-in opportunities show up there first, so enabling notifications helps you catch them before they expire. For existing users, finding ongoing promotions is straightforward. Log into your BetRivers account and go to the promotions section. You'll find active deals like profit boost on specific sports, parlay insurance, no-sweat bets, deposit matches, and more. Most require you to opt in before placing the qualifying wager. The referral program is also valuable. Generate your unique referral link or code, share it with friends, and earn bonus bets when they sign up and play. This is one of the easiest ways to keep rewards coming long after your initial welcome offer. Here's a complete step-by-step walkthrough for claiming the welcome offer as a new user. First, confirm you're physically located in a state where BetRivers Sportsbook is legal and that you are 21 years or older. Next, click through a trusted promotional link from one of the sources mentioned or go directly to betrivers.com and tap the sign up or join button. Fill out the registration form carefully with your real full name, email, address, date of birth, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is required for verification and compliance. During registration or on the first deposit screen, you might see an optional promo code field. Popular codes in 2026 include ones like LSRRIV, Covers Bonus, USBTRV, SBR Bonus, or others depending on the partner. Enter the code exactly as shown if you have one, but in many cases the second chance offer applies automatically through proper links. Complete any identity verification by uploading a photo of your driver's license or other ID when prompted. Then make your first deposit of at least $10 using supported methods like PayPal, Venmo, debit cards, online banking, or others available in your state. After funding your account, place your qualifying first bet of $10 or more. Look for markets with reasonable odds. Check the specific terms, as some offers require -200 or longer. If your first bet wins, you keep the winnings normally. If it loses, BetRivers will credit you a bonus bet equal to your lost stake, up to the maximum for your state, usually within 24 hours. Apply the second chance token in your bet slip for the wager to qualify properly. For existing users entering promo codes or claiming special deals, log in, go to the Promotions tab, and look for any Enter Code or Claim Bonus field. Codes sometimes arrive through email, text, or during major sporting events. Always read the full terms and conditions because requirements like minimum odds, bet types, or time limits can vary. To maximize every BetRivers promo you find, consider using bonus bets on markets you're comfortable with to turn potential winnings into cash. Look for stackable offers when permitted, such as combining a deposit bonus with a profit boost. Make checking the Promotions tab a daily habit, especially during NFL, NBA, or MLB seasons. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss flash deals. If you also play casino games, check that section separately for deposit matches, loss refunds, and bonus spins that often run alongside sportsbook promotions. Responsible gambling must always come first. Only use money you can comfortably afford to lose. Take full advantage of the deposit limits, loss limits, and session time tools in your BetRivers account settings. BetRivers partners with resources like 1-800-GAMBLER and provides easy self-exclusion options. These bonuses add extra fun, but remember the house maintains an edge over the long term. If a promo doesn't appear after you think you qualified, troubleshoot by confirming your location services are accurate, updating the app to the latest version, and ensuring you opted in correctly. Refresh the app, log out and back in, or contact BetRivers support through live chat with screenshots and details. Most issues resolve quickly this way. Advanced strategies include following BetRivers on social media for surprise promotions, climbing their loyalty tiers for better ongoing rewards, and comparing lines and offers across multiple sportsbooks. During peak seasons, expect more sport-specific boosts and insurance offers. For casino users, watch for separate first 24-hour loss refunds and free spins on featured slots. Common questions include, do I need a promo code? Often no for the main offer, but specific codes can enhance or unlock deals. Does the bonus change by state? Yes, the second chance maximum frequently varies. How long do bonus bets last? Typically 7 to 30 days. Can you withdraw the bonus directly? No, only winnings from them. What if my first bet wins? You keep the winnings and the second chance protection doesn't apply. Avoid using VPNs as they can cause account issues or void offers. Always play from your legal home state with accurate personal information for smooth verification and withdrawals. Cashing out winnings is simple once in your cash balance, with e-wallets generally offering the fastest processing. Sports seasons strongly influence promo availability. Football season brings NFL-focused boosts, basketball offers daily player props deals, and major events create temporary enhanced second chance or insurance promotions. Spreading activity across sports helps you capture more rotating offers. Keeping a few trusted bookmark links makes finding fresh codes and deals fast. While the official BetRivers promotions page is the most accurate, good affiliate sites often highlight time-sensitive extras. Steer clear of unverified social media posts or shady sites promising secret winning codes. In summary, finding BetRivers promo codes and the best offers in 2026 comes down to checking the official promotions page, using trusted partner links, monitoring email and app notifications, and staying active in the app. The current second chance bet up to $500 provides a player-friendly welcome package with low initial risk, and plenty of ongoing deals exist for regular players. Claim offers promptly, read terms carefully, start small, and always bet responsibly. If this guide helped you discover better BetRivers offers, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updated betting guides, and let me know in the comments which state you're in or what promo you're most interested in next. I read every comment and do my best to reply. Thanks so much for watching this 2026 BetRivers promo guide. Bet smart, have fun, and I'll catch you in the next video. Good luck!